Aprilia Racing enters a new era with the launch of the RSGP 25 and a star-studded lineup featuring reigning MotoGP champion Jorge Martín and Marco Bezzecchi. Aprilia Racing has officially launched its RSGP 25 machine, signaling the start of a new era for the Italian manufacturer as it gears up for the 2025 MotoGP season. The unveiling took place in Milan, where reigning MotoGP champion Jorge Martín and his new teammate Marco Bezzecchi presented the team's refreshed livery and cutting-edge bike. The highly anticipated moment also revealed Martín's decision to don the coveted number 1 plate for the season as Martin aims to defend his crown. The RSGP 25 represents a major evolution for Aprilia Racing, incorporating extensive upgrades to its aerodynamics, chassis, electronics, and powerful V4 engine. With over 280 horsepower and capable of reaching engine speeds exceeding 17,500 rpm, the 1,000 cubic centimeters, 90 degrees V4 engine features pneumatic valves and a dry sump lubrication system, promising top-tier performance. Aprilia Racing's technical team, led by Fabiano Sterlachini, has worked tirelessly to refine the RSGP 25. "This truly represents a new era for us," Sterlachini said. "Our goal is to be consistently competitive, both in sprints and races, and to achieve maximum results throughout the season. With a talented new lineup, we are motivated to take on the challenges ahead." Martín, the reigning world champion, expressed his enthusiasm for joining Aprilia Racing. "Winning with Aprilia is my next challenge. The team has given me incredible support, and I feel this is the perfect place to achieve great things. We're all excited to get started." Bezzecchi, who joins Martín as part of the revamped team, shared similar excitement. "I'm proud to represent Aprilia and be part of an official team. The RSGP 25 is an impressive machine, and I can't wait to get on track and deliver strong results." From left, Bonora, Bezzecchi, Rivola, Martin, Sterlachini. The launch also highlighted Aprilia's ambitious plans for 2025, with the factory team fielding 4 RSGP 25 machines in collaboration with satellite outfit Trackhouse. Test rider Lorenzo Salvadori will continue to contribute to the project, ensuring continuous development throughout the season. CEO Massimo Rivola underscored the team's aspirations. "This season marks a pivotal moment for Aprilia Racing. Our ambition is to be at the forefront, not just chasing others. With 2 exceptionally talented riders and a bike with enormous potential, we are determined to fight for victory in every race." The new RSGP 25 will make its first appearance on track at the Sepang test, where both Martín and Bezzecchi will begin fine-tuning their 2025 campaign. With a formidable bike and a championship-winning rider in their ranks, Aprilia Racing is setting its sights on becoming a dominant force in MotoGP.